What's up guys, I'm Steffanina, and yes, today I'm gonna be teaching you my choreography to BARTIER CARDI by, who's it by? Oh, she put her name in the song in case you forgot. Okay, I see you. We're gonna be changing the name of the Dance Tutorials Live Instagram to @EpicDanceVideos today. Everything's gonna be the same. We're still gonna be posting your dance covers. This is gonna allow us to grow the page even more so that when we do post your covers, they get more views, more follows, and it's better for our whole community. So make sure you follow us if you haven't already. And from now on, we're gonna also be using the hashtag #EpicDanceVideos when you post your covers. All right, enough talking. Let's get to the choreography. This is BARTIER CARDI by Cardi. All right, so here goes another Cardi B tutorial where I don't actually know any of the lyrics, but I choreographed all of them. So I'm gonna make them up and I'm just gonna say Cardi a lot. If you saw my motorsport video, I had to rap a little Cardi. Go check it out. Anyway, you're starting on your right foot. You're gonna slide your left foot in just like this. That's pretty easy, but there's more. You're gonna add your arms. Your arms are gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left. So it's basically just like the Macarena kind of, but like more gangster. So right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, really important, I'm gonna talk about this from the beginning so that you guys practice it the whole way through the tutorial. Do not do this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. See how it's like floppy and kind of lazy? You wanna go zoom, 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 zoom. Really sharp, and practice that every time so you can get that muscle control. One more time. Starts on 5. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then you're gonna go shoot. You're gonna look out to the left. She says Martian. I do actually know this word. Martian, so it's like you're alien, you're space alien, you got a really big head. It's like, and then she says Cardi, and you're just gonna go Cardi. So it's kind of like, you're like, somebody goes to take a picture of you and you're like, no. I don't know why you would do that to say no, but that's what you're doing now. Say no. Then you're gonna fall back on your left foot, you're gonna pull this down, click, your right foot comes up, then you're gonna slap, whop. Then you're gonna go around to punch down and slide forward. Whew. All right, so a lot of steps, but it's really easy, just a couple times of repetition. You go 5 and 6 and zoom, and make sure you look to the left on that one, and then whoo, you push it up, then you pull back, fall on your left, click, smack, and knee, slide through. Then from here, 3 bounces. Front, side, back. Your right hand is gonna go press, press, drive the car. If you don't drive yet, it's okay. You don't actually need to know how to drive. Do the step. It's really actually simple. You just make 2 circles with your hand like that. Drive, here you go, zoom, down, look at the floor. And then your left hand, the one here, is gonna go you, and bring your right foot in. Cool. So when you pull this through, boom, you want to make it really full out. You're like, hey, hey, zoom, zoom. And this pause is really important to making this clean. And then we slide out. Then from here, this is the hardest part in the whole dance. So I'm going to go through it slowly. You go push, then you're going to go zoom, catch. She's going to say diamond. So I'm making like kind of a diamond shape with my hands here, and I'm pushing it like kind of to the corner, and then I'm gonna come back on my right and go here and catch. So my left hand is going like in the crease of my elbow here, and that's so I can push my hand away and then come back. And when I come back, it's gonna pop that heel up. So think of it as like kind of like Michael Jackson when he would like take his hat off. You're pushing it and your heels come up, and then wah. So it's like a little like hee-hee, little one of those. And then once you get there, from here you're gonna go potable right, and you're gonna jump off of that left foot and do something really epic. But first, let's get the details again. So after here, my feet are left, right, left, and you jump off of that left foot. So I'm going doom da, around my head like this with the right hand. I'm going da, left, right, left. You're gonna jump and go do, do, and you're gonna pull that right shoulder back twice. Got. Then you're gonna step right and up. My hands are just going cross and lift. So real simple. The part that's tricky is this little thing here and the timing. So it's kind of fast in the middle. So it goes 1, this is 2 and 3, 4 and 5. You jump 6 and 7 and 8. Now the reason I'm not actually jumping yet is because when you do it slow, it's impossible to stay in the air long enough to catch it on 6 and, but when you do it faster, it is. By the way, if anybody has figured out how to jump and then like pause in the air, please DM me. Let's go for the top, nice and slow. You go 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a zoom. Hey, 1, 2, and knee, pull, you bounce, bounce, drive, drive. Ha, to go diamonds, 2 and 3, top, top, jump, boom, boom, geek, geek, got, nice. All right, from here, going on a little bit, you have an easy groove. You're just gonna drop your hands and go left, right. I'm giving a little sway with my neck, and then I'm gonna hit, boom. My hands are gonna go around like half circle. So it's kind of like you're drawing like a letter C, and then your body is gonna do the same thing. Your knees are gonna come in, and right here, it's gonna be in the background. The sound is gonna go, shh. To me, it kind of sounds like somebody saying shh. So in the dance, I kind of like took that and like did a little like shh, but that's just style. You can just keep it here, boom, boom, and then you're gonna hit down, and do this step here. All right, that was a lot of wiggling and stuff, so let's break it down a little bit more. So hands go here. Now the key to making this look good is once your hands stop here, don't let them move with your body. When your body goes, your hands stay, boom, hands stay. So it's like a mime, and then I'm gonna come around, and then I can release my hands. Then when you hit down here, boom, my feet, my right foot's going rond de jambe, but it's really like a flat. So don't think of dragging your toe like this, like ballet. You wanna keep your foot flat, and at the same time, my left foot's just going heel toe and kind of walking forward. Now what makes it have like that wavy sort of vibe is my right hip. So my hip's gonna go, yeah. Sexy, right? Yeah. Okay, so now, yeah, one more, yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna put all those things together. You're hitting down, you're gonna go glide, you're gonna go heel toe, and you're gonna go yeah, and at the end of it, you're gonna even add a little body wave up. So I'm kind of coming up and forward. So let's try that. You go, 7 at the same time, boom, into the front. After your hands hit, they kind of stay there for a second, and then don't worry about them because they're gonna come up into here. So let's just put that last 8 count in together one time. You did 7 and 8. You went 1, 2, base, boom. 7, 8. Now you're gonna catch it here, making an X to go 1, 2. Your head goes down. You're gonna go geek, geek, geek. So all this is, if you guys have done my arm wave tutorials, where's my OG followers at? Yeah, back in the day. Okay, arm wave tutorial, the first thing was hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, right? You learn this isolation, and then from there you learn a hand wave. So all we're doing is these two. You're going wrist and elbow, and then you're coming up and making a number 6. So this is 5, this is 1, that's 6. See how that's done? So this is, she says, moonwalk in the 6. Now I don't know the words again, something, so my right arm goes out with my leg and then into my thigh. She says like with the kicks, that means shoes in rapper terminology, that I know. Then you're gonna snake this through, you're gonna go zoom to your mouth, and then you're gonna push and come back. So, 7, 8, moon, walk, 6, top, top, brush, brush, kicks, snake through and throw. Nice. All right, so we're almost to the end actually. It's just like 2 8s left, but let's go one time from the very top just to make sure you guys kind of have the whole thing, and then you can always go back and clean it up. All right, we start on what count? If you said 5, you get 1,000,000 points. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a zoom. Remember to be clean. Pull, 2, and knee, pull, and bounce. Bounce, drive the car, don't crash. And 1, 2, go, go. 5, and jump, freeze in the air, and 7, and yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. 7, 8, new part, 1, 2, and 6. Deep, deep, got, heel, snake through, boom, hey. All right, I'm gonna assume that you killed it. If not, rewind it, practice it again. It's video, do it as many times as you need, but we're gonna learn the last 2 8 counts, finish it up right now. You just did. Boom, you're sliding on that right foot, left foot's pulling in. You're going back, back, jump, jump, So my first step is with my left foot behind, and I'm doing like, it's kind of like a little Charleston. I'm just clicking my heels in, and my right hand comes up, and then and what makes this look good is not just like the hands and the legs, but my body's going boom, boom. So I'm pushing my chest out. So hit, chest goes out, out, and hey, hey. And I'm literally just making this like really ugly and full out. Full out is the key here, don't be clean. Yeah, yeah. Then you're gonna step on your left, press down with this right hand to go out to the left, and my right foot comes behind. Then I'm gonna go right, left, throw, reach, you caught it, and there's a lot of sexy moves in this dance. I don't know what was going on with me the day I choreographed this. Okay, so you did. After this back, back, jump, jump. My hands here, they're kind of like ugly pointer hands. So not pointing like this, it's like this, and then you kind of turn them into each other. So what happens is when you do this, it makes it look like really strong. You can make your hands really clean. So I'm pulling through, doom, doom. I'm going right hand, left, D, D, throw, reach, catch. She's gonna say something there, and then she's gonna say jump, jump. And you'll see how like a lot of people, I gave people freedom to do whatever on this part, as long as they did the 2 jumps. So once your hands are here, if you wanna like jump, jump, or like jump, jump, you can style that how you want. Then last part, you step on your left foot. You're gonna start one of these, like everybody knows this move where you're like, yeah, but as soon as you get to here, you're gonna turn over your right shoulder out of it. So you're gonna go, whoop, down, and then and pull your feet in together. And then we just have this really fun groove at the end. You're gonna go roll, throw, right shoulder, right shoulder, right shoulder. Hey, roll, throw, left shoulder, down, 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 down. Nice. That's it, that's the end of the routine. You guys made it. Why do I sound like Justin Bieber when he was 13 when I just said that? This ending, super easy. It's just about being really, really full out. So after you do the you turn here, you come in together. All I'm doing is bouncing my knees to the right. My hands are gonna go up, throw, up, throw. Now this is not locking, it's not whacking, it's just like a fun groove. So it doesn't have to be like clean. Don't be like, oh, your technique's not, it's nothing, it's just a silly move. So when you do it, you wanna let your arms like kind of be like crazy. Don't like try to control it too much. And the accent is right, so try it with me. Go 7, 8, it goes right, then your right shoulder goes down. So I prep my shoulder with my foot to go down, down, A, then the same thing, but everything's left. So I'm going left, 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 left shoulder down, 6, 7, 8, and then do a bomb freestyle, and you're all done. All right, so it's not actually that long, but there's a couple tricky parts in this one. That's why it's an advanced piece. And I'm gonna take you guys slow from the top, and then we'll try tempo from the top, and then you'll be ready to try with the music. So from the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, clean, 5 and 6 and you, hey, pull, 2 and knee, bounce it, pop, bot, drive, A and diamond, click, doom, doom, dot, dot, jump, gee, 7 and 8, take it back, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, X, 1, 2, in the 6, tap, tap, brush, brush, heel, and 7, 8, back, 1, 2, jump, 8, tap, tap, dee-da-dee, woo, catch, pull it, hey, jump, jump, set up, turn, here we go, and you're more full out, hey, chill it, yeah, to the left, 2, 3, 4, and hey, 6, 7, 8, yeah. All right, you guys got it. This is the one to practice the slow version if you're still trying to remember the steps a few times, but don't babysit yourself. Like, don't like be like, no, I need it again. If you're even like kind of close, just go for it faster with me. Try this right now and push yourself and see how quickly you can learn this piece. Because every time you do that, you're gonna get faster and faster at remembering the choreography. So here we go, good luck. It's fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and zoom. Hey, 1, 2 and 3, yeah, and 5, 6, doom, doom. Hey, go 1, 2 and 3, doom, doom, jump, dee, dee, boom, boom, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, moonwalk in the 6, steady, cut and 7, boom, back, jump, tap, get ready, woo, hey, pull it, and a yeah, step, turn, woo, you dig, got 2, 3, 8, good, 6, 7, 8, and zoom, hey, and freestyle, yeah. Good job, you guys, killed today. All right, you guys got the choreography down so you know what to do. Click the link below, try it with the music. And don't forget, we changed the Instagram name to Epic Dance Videos. So make sure you follow us, #Epic Dance Videos in your covers so you can get reposted. Peace.